Welcome back. It's time for some spring cleaning. If you need any type of cleaning or power washing done at your home or business, you may want to call K&K Janitorial Service, in business since 1999. Owner Kevin Selvey is here with us this morning on Studio 10. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, so you have been serving the Gulf Coast for a long time, since 1999. What's it been like throughout all these years?
It's been great. I've been enjoying what I do.
Yeah.
And my team been with me since the startup day.
Yeah.
So we loving what we do.
Of course, and when you're passionate about something, then it's not really work.
Correct.
And you're passionate about helping us here on the Gulf Coast get ready, whether that's commercial or our own homes and businesses, to get it ready for spring or summer. So what services do you offer now? You guys do a lot, including power washing, janitorial services, but what are some of those details and the services that you offer?
In our commercial service, we doing cleaning, scripting and waxing floors, tile and grout cleaning, and we doing a little carpet cleaning in the commercial. But in the residential, we just offering our carpet cleaning and our power washing business, so we can be able to do the driveways and the around the pools, the walkways, all that type of stuff.
Yeah, so if you do own a business, this is great. Power washing, you do drive-throughs. Like you said, if you have a home with a pool, you do around the pool. So you just really hit all of those different areas that may need power washing.
Correct, correct.
Now, for our friends at home who may be interested in getting you and your team to come help their business or their home, do you have a cell phone number or a number that they can call to get in touch with you or your business? Sure,
we got. You can call the office at 287-2299, or you can reach me on my cell at 251-455-1945.
Now, do you just work, is this Monday through Friday? If someone needs to have you come on the weekends, or is this just strictly Monday through Friday?
Well, we work on the weekends, some Sundays, but most of the Monday through Saturday, we pretty much try to cover most of our territory.
Yeah, so Monday through Saturday. If you ever need K&K, they're there for all of your needs. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Of course, we're going to leave our viewers with your address in case they want to go stop by and see what you're all about.
Sounds great.
And what's your address?
It's 4405 Halls Mill Road, Suite G4, and we cover on Mobile, Alabama.
Awesome. Well, Kevin, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Of course, we got to get ready for spring and summer with our cleaning, whether that's your home and business. So we'll finish up in the kitchen with Lucy